This is a brief tutorial on the administration side of the mass attendance system and how the QR code and passcode is managed. First thing you're going to do is you're going to log in to the Concierge Pad admin website. And once you log in, we're going to look for the quick links drop down, and all the way at the bottom, the last option is mass attendance. We're going to go ahead and select that and hit submit. And you should see a screen that looks very similar to this. So the way this works is basically like a lineup. You are going to basically set passcodes for days ahead, and then you deactivate. And when you deactivate one, the next one becomes available, or the next one is what we call like next up. Okay, so right now the one that I have available for today is this QR code, which will never change, and this is the passcode. So let's say I want to deactivate this particular passcode. I would just click on deactivate, and then basically that clicks on deactivate. So if I want to set up a passcode for an event tomorrow, and then I want to set up maybe 2 passcodes for tomorrow, I would say I want my passcode for the first event to be, let's say, 123. We select the date and the actual time. So I'm going to say it's at 10 a.m. Okay, this could be a 10 a.m. mass. And then if I click on create new, this is ready to go. The QR code, that's what the user will scan, and the passcode that will be available is 123. If I want then to make the mass at noon, 4554, let's say, I would select tomorrow's date, but I'm going to say that it's at noon, done, create new, right? And so there's my noon, right? So here we are. Let's pretend that it's tomorrow. The first event at 10 a.m. is done, okay? When that event is done, I am going to click deactivate, okay? And as you can see, the one at noon now becomes available, and the new passcode is 4554. If I ever make a mistake, not an issue, I can click on show history, and it'll show me all my prior passcodes that I've used. And if I want to reactivate or bring one back, I can click on the reactivate button, and then that'll bring it back into the live queue. So that's pretty much a brief demonstration of how you manage the mass attendance system. Thank you.